Hey guys, before we get this video started today, I want to talk a little bit about a reel that I have purchased off of Amazon. I really enjoy it. It is, if I can pronounce it right, but it is spelled P-I-S-C-I-F-U-N. Piscifun. Anyway, it is the exact same, as close as you can get to an Abbott Garcia 6500. The one I'm using on my boat, I've got two of them. Yesterday I caught a 20 pounder off of one reel. Well, matter of fact, I caught the 20 pounder and a 42 pounder off the same Piscifun reel, a size 50. These are 65 bucks compared to an Abbott Garcia, which is $165. Same gear ratio, same amount of bearings, same drag. I think the drag is 14, 16, I don't know, somewhere, and I forgot. I used to know and I forgot what it was. But everything on it is exactly the same except for the color and the price. The little clicker even sounds a lot like the other one. I hardly ever use a clicker anyway, but that's just me. A lot of guys I know use clickers. So anyway, we're going to get this video started. I just wanted to say a little bit about this reel. If you want a cheap, well, if you want a good reel at a good price, try it. They're on Amazon. I think you can even go to their website, P-I-S-C-I-F-U-N, Piscifun website. Give them a try. Like I say, I'm not associated with them. It don't bother me. But I just let you know if you would enjoy it at a economical, at a good price. You know, you might enjoy it at a good price. So anyway, give them a shot. And thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was on the river. It was Alabama River, flooded. I was fishing up in the flooded areas, really out of the bank, out of the current. The water was way up. You know, it's been like that for a week. So, but I was fishing, like I said, in the flooded areas, off the drops as they come back into the river, just out of the current. On every place I fished yesterday, it was right along the edge of the where normally it would be a bank, but yesterday it's flooded, and normally you couldn't sit there. In other words, what I'm trying to say. But yesterday you was able to sit there, and then you could fish off the edge of that river as it drops back down into the river, and it was just right out of the current, and the fish was hanging along the edge. And that's where I found the 42 pounder, and that's where I found the 20 pounder. And like I say, I caught them both off the same reel, which is the Piscifun 50. And I was using a cut skipjack, and I think I was using kind of smaller pieces. I wasn't using no great big huge pieces, just smaller pieces. But it was a good day for fishing. I enjoyed it. Had a great day. Had a good turnout for his fish wise, for as I'm concerned. Anyway, thank you for watching. Appreciate every time you watch. Hit that subscribe button, like button. Let me know if you like it. Anyway, you have a great day. Enjoy the video. See you next time. Well, we got one on. Feels all right. Ain't no monster. It's a fish. That's the main thing. It's a fish. We got a fish. We got a fish. We got a fish. Probably about a 10 pounder. Maybe 5. Just barely hooked. He ain't very big. He's a fish. You know. Look at the belly on that sucker. He is fat. Fat boy, fat boy. Well, I thought I was home. But apparently, he swam up under something. We got him coming. But it's something. Ain't a handshake. Doggone. Well, that's a total shock. Well, let's see what this hung up fish weighs. About 18 pounds. I'm telling you, as you can see, I reeled all the lines in. I thought that one was hung up, but it wasn't. Nice little blue. All right, we're gonna put him back. Let him get fat. Fatter. blue. Almost white. Anyway, put it back and let it get fat. See you later, buddy. 365. Hey, we got one on. What's this tangle and everything I got? It's going upriver. Pull and drag. Sometimes doing that stuff by yourself. Oh, yeah. Ain't the butt. Yeah. See what we got here. So, come on. Calm down. Simmer down. Come on. That's it. Dive. Come on back over this way. That's it. Come on, little boy. So he's gonna take pictures and let you go. Come on, get on YouTube. All I want you to do. He's in the net. Hey, let's see if this breaks my personal record, personal best, PB. I hope so. We think 42 pounds. So I'm hoping this is more than that. I marked this. I found this. Dang it. 41 pounds. Oh, I'm glad to have it, don't get me wrong. But I can't get out of them 40s. Yeah, let's see if we can get a few pictures. And we'll put him back. I don't know who's tired of me or him. Oh, big old fat boy, I know that. And just barely good. I mean, just barely good. He's just skin hooked. I hooked in the mouth, he's hooked in the skin. Put it around so I won't lose him again. I have lost him with the fish. There we go. All right, gonna let him go, let him get fat. Fatter. Calm down. Simmer. Here you go, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the fight, there, big boy. All right.